Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Chrysler Town & Country. Stock number is A7724. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. You have second row bucket and third row bench seating. A rear facing entertainment center here. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats. Those are stow and go seats, so they will fold flat into the floor. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls mounted here. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Chrysler on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.